Hey everyone! Today's video will be about how to draw anxiety from the movie Inside Out 2. So let's get started. We're going to start with the eyes by drawing a big circle over here. Then we draw a big circle, a circle attached to the first one with the same size. And we draw two small circles inside every eye. And we draw the shape over here like the letter M. Make sure it is close to the eyes. Here we draw a semicircle, like a question mark. We repeat the same thing in the other side. In the middle of this shape, we draw a curved line resembling a long smile. We draw another line directly below it in the same way, making sure that it is the same distance from beginning to end. We connect them with a curved line in both sides. We stay in the face, and now we connect the points we made before. And finish it by drawing the mouth and the teeth. For the hair, we come to the middle of the face and draw two short lines. We draw eyebrows easily in this way, starting from the bottom and moving up. Before we finish the hair, we quickly move on to the body because it is easier to complete it first. Just keep following my steps, use your innate skills, and of course enjoy drawing. For the hand, we draw the shape and then move to the other side to draw the rest of the fingers. Don't stress about it, just draw the hand however you'd like. The important thing is to enjoy drawing. We draw the belt like this to move to the legs. Now for the legs, draw a long line. Don't worry about the length, just stop when you think it's enough for you. And at the end of it, draw a curved line. Draw two diagonal lines on both sides as if you were drawing a triangle. We draw three lines in the shape of the Mercedes logo, and from there, And now all we have to do is draw the hair. We will draw a light slanted line over here. Another light line in the other side, and we keep doing same things as the first one. Thus, we have completed today's video drawing. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in my next videos.